If your Gmail inbox feels too small, too crowded, or just a little hard to read, in this video I'll show you exactly how to change the font size and make Gmail much more comfortable to use. We'll cover the quick settings that change the inbox spacing, and I'll also show you the fastest way to actually make the text larger or smaller in Gmail using Zoom. So whether you want a cleaner view, a more spacious inbox, or just bigger text for easier reading, you're in the right place. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com, then sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens the quick settings panel. Now in the quick settings panel, find the section called density. This setting changes how Gmail displays your inbox, including the spacing and the overall feel of the message list. If you want the standard view, choose default. This gives you the normal font size and spacing that most people use. If you want a little more breathing room between emails, choose comfortable. This does not massively increase the font, but it does make Gmail feel easier to read by adding slightly larger spacing. If you want more messages visible at once and prefer a tighter layout, choose compact. This uses smaller spacing so more content fits on the screen. After selecting the option you like, Gmail will automatically update the inbox view so you can see the difference right away. Now, if your goal is to actually change the text size you see in Gmail, there's another method you should know. Open Gmail in your browser, then use your keyboard shortcut to zoom in or zoom out. On Windows, press Ctrl and plus to make everything larger, or Ctrl and minus to make everything smaller. On a Mac, press Command and plus to zoom in, or Command and minus to zoom out. This changes the display size of Gmail in your browser, including the text, icons, and layout, which is especially helpful if the inbox feels too tiny or too large. If you zoom in a little, Gmail becomes easier to read. If you zoom out, you can fit more on the screen. You can repeat the shortcut until the view feels just right for you. And that's really all there is to it. If you only want to change the way your inbox is laid out, use the density settings in quick settings. If you want to make the actual Gmail text and interface bigger or smaller, use your browser zoom shortcut. Together, these two methods give you a simple way to customize Gmail for better comfort and readability. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.